Hello everyone. Today I thought I would show you the new copper colored pinch end connectors that just came in. We have them available in the brass and also in the silver plate, antique silver plate. I'm going to show you how I use them to finish up a kumihimo braid. They are very fast and easy and simple to do, and that's what I love about them most. So I'm going to apply some hypo cement to the end of my braid. I'm going to cover probably about 1/4 of an inch out or so of this. I'm going to let it set and dry until I can touch it and it doesn't come off on my fingers. Do the same on this side. About 1/4 of an inch out, I go all the way around the braided cord section. Okay, so while that sets a minute, I'm going to attach my toggle, beautiful artisan toggle in copper with a jump ring, and the toggle bar to the end cap with a jump ring, and that will end up being the ends to our kumihimo braid. So once again, these end connectors in the copper have just come in. They're super easy to use and they look nice. I'm all about the endings or the finishings. Once you put all that work into something, you really want to finish it off nicely. That's the antique brass and antique silver. Okay, so this end has dried. I'm going to take a pair of scissors, trim that off, squeeze the end together. I'm going to test it in my piece to see. Oh, that's perfect length. It's about 1/4 of an inch or so that I cut it. Squeeze the ends together. This is an 8/0 seed bead braid, kumihimo, on Ceylon cord, and that cord fits just perfect in there. So I'm going to take my chain nose pliers and just come in, give a little squeeze down, flip it over, squeeze down on this side too. One end is done. Let's go and finish the other end now. So this end also has dried. I'm going to trim that down to about 1/4 inch or so, I'm guessing. Helps to have really sharp scissors. I think it's time to sharpen those. I'm going to trim the end just a little more on that one. My toggle bar end. I'm going to actually put this through so I can see how it fits together. What's great about these ends is there's no wire, so it's easy for anybody to do. And you can always add an extra jump ring if you need to make the piece a little bit bigger. Come in, pop that braid right in the center of my pinch connector. Make sure the braid is inside. Every now and then it pokes out a little bit. And I'm going to go ahead, right, and squeeze it. tightly over the end. There's my bracelet all finished up. Didn't take me very long, maybe 5 minutes. That's my favorite part. And now I can also finish my necklace the same way. I'm going to add a lobster clasp to that and a piece of chain so I can make that extendable. I hope you enjoyed this short video, and I will hope you will try out these pinch end connectors. They will soon be, I will add the copper to the website, but the brass and the silver ones are on there right now. Thanks, have a great day.